In this demo, I would walk you through articlewriter.tutorialbus.com, how to connect your website in it, how to add your keywords and start automation for your websites to automatically write the articles. So first of all, you have to sign up on this. Go to sign up. You can sign up with your email and password or continue with Google. I will continue with Google. Use your account. As soon as you are signed up, you would redirect it to the dashboard. In our free plan, we have limitations of 20 articles per month, and you can connect only one website. So to set up the automation, first of all, you need to connect your domain. Go to setting. Here is simple three-step instruction. First of all, you need to add an application inside your WordPress. So I would go to admin dashboard of one of my website, which I'm going to connect with this article writer. So I go to my admin panel. Then here is the instruction. Go to users and profile and create an application password. And for the app, you would name it article writer. Copy the name. Go to users, profile, and scroll below to I have already created the app, so I would delete this one and create the new application password. Click here and name it article writer. Click on add new application. You would be given a password. This is a secret password. Don't share it with anyone else. I would delete this one after this demo. Copy the password. Come to article writer. Click on add site. Paste the password here. Here you the link of your website will be placed. I would copy the link of my website and paste it in it. Here is the username. You would get the username from the same page where we have created the app. Scroll above. Here you would get your username. Use this exact username. I have copied the username and pasted in username field. In site identity, you can name it anything which you can remember while adding the keywords. When you would be adding keywords, you would need to select a website for which these keywords are being added. Name it anything which you can remember. I would name it website 1 for the time being. And this is the article frequency. This is the number of articles would be published on your WordPress site per day. Number of articles published on your website. You can always edit this later. And here is the brand color. Brand color is only for those users who would create some kind of tools on their blog post. It would be only used in the tools branding. Let's say I have chosen this color and connect the website. My website is connected with this status bar. I would come across this later after adding the keyword. The step 1 is completed. I have connected my website successfully. Now I need to add keywords. Go to keyword section. Pay close attention here. First of all, we would go to add keyword button. Click here, and here are 3-4 fields you need to consider. This is the keyword section. This would our main keyword. Let's say my keyword is what is a blog. What is a blog? And there are LSA keywords. I'm not going deep in this as SEO persons know already what it is. So this is completely optional. And if you try to add the keyword here, it wouldn't be added as you have not selected the website to which these keywords are being published. So this is what I was talking about in setting. So I named the website as website 1. That name would be appear here. This would not be your domain name. It could be anything else. And then here status. If the article would be published or draft, I set it as draft. This is my main keyword and category. Here the category in which you want to add this article would goes. Let's say I name it blog. If your WordPress site had the name of category blog, if there is an category named blog already, this article would simply be in that category. But if you have not created a category yet with the name blog, our tool would create the category for you. You can add as many categories as you want separated by comma. I said blog, comma, let's say category 2. Could be anything. Category 2. I added category 2. Same thing goes for 2. If the tags are already there, article would be tagged in them. But if you have no tag created tagged with these names, these new tags would be created by themselves. How to is smart enough to create them. Let's say name it blog. It could be anything. And in this section is for tool. If you want to create an HTML tool, let's say we are creating an calculator, then we would select this and a tool would be published on our blog post. But this isn't a keyword regarding to a tool, so I would uncheck this for the time being. And this section is only for paid user. It would generate the picture, and here are image styles, whichever you want, and here are dimensions. We will talk about this later after upgrading our plan and deploy. And after adding this, you can simply write it now by clicking three dots and write, and it would start triggering our backend to write your article. Let's say we got an issue forbidden invalid API key. The issue is because we have not added our API keys. As the users have to bring their own API keys. That's why our tool have a large number of articles can be written in free plans. So to add the API key, you would need to go to openauto.com, openauto.ai. After coming to openauto.ai, create an account. If I have already, so I'm logged in. Click on your profile and keys. Create one, name it anything, article, and keep everything blank. And this has no expiry. Create one, copy the key, go to our app, add the key. Make sure you have selected the provider as OpenAuto. Name your key, key 1, paste the key here, save the API key. Go to keywords. Now you try to write the key. Now our article is being processed. As soon as it is completed, you would save the link to your article. This is published. Now we can view our article. This is the article what we have generated. Let's see, this have clean paragraphs with LA tags, the headings, everything is fine. It had tables too. So this is the type of content it have generated. Now let's go to check its SEO work. Let's say it is making no mistake in hierarchy. In overview, everything is green, mean everything is fine SEO wise. So this is the article. The best part of this is that I have generated in such a way that we can use it within $0. So for that, the API key section is our smart way. In setting, I set as for my website, let's say I set it as 100 articles per day. But this is too much. Let's say I add 10 articles per day. And in keyword section, now I have to add 10 keywords. Okay, here is the sheet where I have added the keywords. Now pay close attention. In first time we added one keyword manually, but now we are gonna to add multiple keywords at once. So pay attention. In bulk processing, you would go to a sheet and you have to make a table in same order. The sequence of columns should be same. In first column, main keywords would go there. In second column, LSA keywords, completely optional. In third column, your category. If you want to add more categories to a keyword, you can simply add by separated comma. They let's say category 2. Got the point? I'm removing this. In fourth column, here your tags would go same separated by comma. I have to select the call table, click Control C, go to this, click Control V. Or search. The problem is that I have not selected the website to which keywords must be added. So select the website first, then go to this, press Ctrl V, and eventually all of your keywords would be added here. That you can see there. All of the keywords are added here. This one is we have written immediately, and for all of these I have selected the tool thing. Depending on our setting, we set 10 articles per day. All of them would be divided within equal times. All the articles would be published with the same gap. And in status, these are the things 20 we have added 27 keywords totally. 26 out of them are pending, which are not written yet, and one is written. You can see everything in dashboard too. Here we have 27 keywords in total, published one, in QE 26 are remaining, and your daily publishing frequency would go there, and obviously change the theme. Now I'm going to please make sure if you want to publish that much articles per day, let's say 10, 15, or 100. Now then you have to add multiple API keys, as OpenOuter provides us free quota per day. The whole idea behind our app is using that free quota of multiple keys, we can generate much more articles using these free quota. So you got the point. Now to add multiple keys, it acts the same way as we can add multiple keywords in one go. We can add multiple keys in one go. For that, we need a table with two columns. The first one would be the API key name, and second one for the actual API key. Now I'm selecting this and going to article writer. Make sure you have selected open outer input box and press Ctrl V. Eventually all of your 6 keys would be added. Now you can set the daily publishing frequency, which we have set at 10. Now you are good to go. Everything would be done by itself. You don't need to worry about anything else. All the keywords would be published eventually when time would come for them. But if you want to write, let's say, one keyword is being processed. As soon as we set the automation, one keyword is being processed, and all of them would be published. Let's say if you want to write an article without any sequence, as all of these articles would be written in this sequence they have added. But if you want to write this article, this keyword, let's say this keyword first, you would go to this, add, click on three dots, and click on write now. Now two articles would be published. This is in processing too, and this is in processing too. But if you want to add feature images too, you need to upgrade your plan. For upgrading your plan, go to dashboard. You have your upgrade button here. If I want to upgrade my section, we have two plans. Only $9 per month is you can write 2,500 articles. In scale plan, you can write 10,000 articles per month. But don't forget that you need to add your own API keys. This is the key. For keys, you can simply create one new Gmail account, go to open router, sign up for this with new email, get your API key from every new Gmail and add it in our app. If you have to publish 10 articles per day, it is recommended to at least add 5 API keys. So quote it. I hope this would help you a lot. Soon I would be adding feature in this which it can auto publish to our Reddit account, our Medium account, or I would decide in future which platforms I need to add in this for parasite SEO, which would help to boost our domain authority fast too. But this system is completely robotless. You need to set up everything once, and then you're good to go. Everything would be done. This article is drafted. Why this article is drafted? So as this is the color thing. I was talking about brand color. In setting, we have selected the brand color as this. This is our brand color. The same color is in our tool buttons and everything. So you go the thing what I was talking about in the same article thing. This is our article with clean headings, paragraphs, bullet points, tables too. So let me calculate the word count of this article. Go to word count. Let's check the word count. This is 2513 words, which is pretty good length. And going back to article, checking its SEO, everything is green, which means our article is pretty good SEO wise too. Now going to heading optimization. Every heading is optimized. There is no break in heading optimization. And we are creating each four headings too. So everything would be pretty good for SEO too. When you upgrade your plan, you would be able to add more websites. So yeah, that's it.